Assistive listening devices or other external audio devices, such as portable MP3 players, radios, or CD players, can be connected to the Rondo via the MED-L Mini Battery Pack for Rondo. The Mini Battery Pack for Rondo must be purchased separately. The Mini Battery Pack is an alternative external power supply with additional connectivity options and is connected to the Rondo control unit via a connection cable. To connect the Rondo control unit to the Mini Battery Pack for Rondo, first remove the Rondo battery pack and replace it with the Rondo connection cable. Use the gently landing airplane method to attach the Rondo connection cable, then lock it into place. You may now connect assistive listening devices or other external devices to the Mini Battery Pack for Rondo. When you are finished listening to music, reattach the battery pack. To reattach the battery pack once the Rondo connection cable has been removed, use the gently landing airplane method. To activate the Rondo, shift the switch to the 1 position.